Hey, good afternoon. This is Brian Kelly, and I'm reporting to you from my kitchen table here in Garner, North Carolina. Me and the cow here. I'm not sure where my eel is. I think she's sleeping. She's been a real pain in the neck today, but hopefully she's sleeping, getting some rest. But anyway, wanted to do a really quick video before I get started. If you could, please give my video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. And make sure you hit the little bell so that every time I make a video, you'll be able to see it. Because I'm going to be making some more pretty soon, okay? But anyway, as you guys know, I'm still doing the Prosperity Home Network. That's been working out really well for me. Very happy with it. And I wanted to. I got a money order. This is probably like, I don't know, 3 or 4 days ago. I just have been kind of lazy, have not been doing the videos, but here it is right here. Let me see here, make sure okay, yeah, okay. This is it right here, as you can see, Brian Kelly, and it's for $100. And I want to say that this is from, this is one of my second tier sales. What happened was someone who I personally sponsored made a sale. So that means I was in box number 2. And this particular person made a purchase of, I think like a gold. So as a result of that, I made the $100. So someone ahead of me, they got, I think they got like $200 or $300. I think that's what it was. But at any rate, hey, it's still money, and this program continues to work on a consistent basis. I'm extremely excited. This is my actual website already. Make500perweek.com. This is the original flyer that started the whole thing. If you've not already done so, please call that number right there, 858-901-4066. That is the owner explaining the program, how it works in great detail. And, this is simple. This is a really simple program. Here are the benefits of it. I won't go, over the whole thing, but you can kind of read it once you get the flyer, sent to you, or which I recommend you do is just to go to the website right here. On that website, there are going to be 2 videos. The first video is going to be the owner of the program explaining it in great detail. The second video is a more detailed video on how the compensation plan works, and then step 3 is going to be showing you. Step 3 is going to be a a recorded message number, which is this number right here to call that number. And then step 4 is going to be the actual flyer, my personalized flyer. It's going to be in a PDF format, so all you have to do is click the little button in step number 4, and it'll show you this flyer right here. It'll be 2 pages actually. It'll have my personal information on it as well, and I'll be in box number 1, and I am a VIP, top dog. So yeah. Anyway, yeah, this program, it continues to work, and I don't really have. I mean, I've talked a great deal about it, and it just continues to pound and work. And I get these surprise texts, surprise phone calls saying, Brian, you got money coming your way, at all hours of the day and night. And, some of these things I don't even know where they're coming from. But, hey, keep it coming, baby. Keep it coming. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call. My number is right here, 919-999-8154. As always, remember, if you do decide to come in on my team personally, I will do a video for you. What you want to do is get you set up with the website, get a personalized domain name for yourself. And once you get that all squared away, then I will do a video specifically for you to promote your this program, and so that you would get the sales for it. Okay, I've done this for several people on my team, and as a result of that, they have made actual sales. Not only that, but once a video goes on YouTube, it's there for a very, very long time. So that's one of the advantages of getting someone to do a video for you, because it just stays on there for a long time. So yeah, but anyway, with that being said, I'm going to get up out of here and hope you guys have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Bye.